Well, my name is Adriano Fiorenza, founder of GameChanger Finance. I'm here with Quasar also. He's joining from the team. So today I'm going to talk about GCFS. That is an on-chain file storage protocol on Cardano. But this is a world beyond than just on-chain files. So Cardano today, flourishing projects on Cardano talk different languages and specifications, rendering current landscape as an impractical ecosystem for easy, collaborative, and interoperable development. We designed Cardano, learning from Ethereum mistakes, but at the end, we failed to learn their biggest strengths. Cardano plus GCFS. With GCFS, and also our feature-rich DSL and the app connector, projects on Cardano will be able to have composable interface standards, able to integrate protocols in like 30 lines of code, became device independent, out of the box, and more interoperable, offer transparency and auditability even for non-expert end users, trust each other using well-known Cardano cryptography and code, not brand popularity, collaborate and monetize open source, and have other features like perpetual censorship-resistant hosting for frontends and data, reduce the data footprint on Cardano Layer 1, and became more web-free, getting away from all current backend centralization. This is thanks to these two key technologies that will allow an entire layer for an open interoperability era on Cardano. But in GameChanger Finance, we deliver first, and then we seek funding to improve and finalize our work. This means that almost everything I've just mentioned has been already available for Cardano since April 2023. And even it's current powering GameChanger wallet and developers with features like multi-sig, workspaces, on-chain file upload, and more. But we are asking here your support to improve GameChanger file system and develop tooling and services for a better and more performant user and developer experience. Our key milestones are protocol improvements and wallet updates, GCFS HTTP server, GCFS API server, and corresponding Dandelion network deployments. So if you want to watch it in action, and for more information and technical information about the project, detailed budget, deliverables, and more, read our proposals. If you wonder how GCFS works, remember, it's already here. So you can watch GCFS file upload and multi-sig over GCFS videos on the proposal. You can even try voting the app made entirely for Catalyst, also in the proposal. And of course, you can use it. It's on the beta of the wallet that is on pre-production testnet. You can use it today through the wallet. Join us on the after town hall live sessions for more information. And in the name of GameChanger Finance, thank you, and your vote can make the difference. So will be much appreciated. Also follow us on all the links and social media. Thanks. This is GCFS.